Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use data annotation. Data annotation is the process of labeling raw data, such as images, text, audio, or video, to make it usable for machine learning models. This involves adding metadata or tags that provide context and meaning. For example, you might draw bounding boxes around objects in an image. Accurate annotation is absolutely crucial for training robust and effective artificial intelligence systems. There are several key types of data annotation, each suited for different data formats. For images, common methods include drawing bounding boxes around objects, using polygons for precise segmentation, or marking key points on faces. Text annotation involves tasks like named entity recognition, sentiment analysis, and intent classification. Audio annotation often focuses on transcribing speech or identifying specific sound events. Finally, video annotation extends these techniques to track objects and actions across multiple frames. To ensure high-quality annotated data, several best practices are essential. First, create clear and comprehensive guidelines for your annotators, leaving no room for ambiguity. Second, implement strong quality control measures, such as having multiple annotators label the same data and then resolving discrepancies. Third, leverage specialized annotation platforms that offer efficient tools for various data types. Finally, provide ongoing training and constructive feedback to your annotation team to continuously improve their accuracy and consistency. The landscape of data annotation tools is vast, with many software solutions available to support diverse tasks, from simple image labeling to complex video segmentation. Looking ahead, artificial intelligence is playing an increasingly significant role, assisting human annotators by pre-labeling data or identifying potential errors. The field continues to evolve rapidly, adapting to new data types and advanced machine learning models. Ethical considerations, such as data privacy and bias, are also becoming paramount in the data labeling process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.